Hello students. Students, today we are going to start chapter 12, perimeter and area. Students, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of any figure, and the area. Area is the space covered by an object. For example, if we place a duster on the table, then how much space is covered by the duster? That is the area. And how can we find a perimeter of the duster? Sum of all the four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sum of all the four sides of a duster is perimeter. Students, let's start exercise 12.1. Draw the figure first. Students, in this figure, all the sides of the square are 12 centimeter. Then how can we find a perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all four sides. Perimeter is equals to 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. How many times 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means sum of all sides is the perimeter. That means 48 centimeter is the perimeter. Next, third part, students. First of all, draw the figure on your notebooks. Third part. Students, here also all the sides length is given and we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, plus 3 centimeter, plus 4 centimeter, plus 4 centimeter. When you add all the sides, you will get the answer. That is the 20 centimeter. Next, students, fifth sum. Draw the diagram. In this diagram, also we have to find out the perimeter. Here, students, in this figure, each side is of 5 centimeter. Count the sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Write down all the sum. Perimeter is equals to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter and the last one is 5 centimeter. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add these terms and you will get the answer, and the answer is the 30 centimeter. Have you cleared that how can we find a parameter? Parameter is the sum of all the sides of any figure. Now next is, students, first of all write down the formulas that are used in the next exercise. First one is perimeter of square. Students, the formula of the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. 4 multiplied by side. That is the formula to find the perimeter of a square. How many sides in a square have? 4 sides, and all the sides are equal. That is 4 multiplied by side. Next is perimeter of rectangle. The formula of the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. And last one is perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. That means S1 plus S2 plus S3. Because in triangle there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Then how can we find a perimeter of a triangle? Sum of all 3 sides. S1 means side 1, S2 side 2 and S3 is the side 3. Now let's start the sum of the next exercise, exercise 12.2. Our first part is Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are respectively. Students, here we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Here length and breadth is given. What is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Students, here length is 3 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. Length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Put these two values in this formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length here is 3 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. First of all, solve the bracket. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 multiplied by 2 becomes 10. And units centimeter is given. So, write down here 10 centimeter. That means perimeter of the rectangle is 10 centimeter. Next, student, C part. In decimal form is given. We have to find out here perimeter. But in decimal form is given. Length is 6.1 centimeter and the breadth is 5.9 centimeter. So, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Student, here length is 6.1 and the breadth is 5.9. Put the values. 6.1 plus 5.9. First of all, solve the bracket. Student, 6.1 and 5.9. How can we add decimal numbers? 6.1, put decimal here, 9 and 5. Now add these terms. 9 plus 1, 10, 12.0. That means only 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is equals to 24 and the units here is centimeter. So, perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeter. Student, next, second part. Here we have to find out the perimeter of a sphere. Now tell me, what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a sphere? The formula is perimeter of a sphere. Perimeter of a sphere is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Students, in first part, 2 centimeter side is given. Side is 2 centimeter. So, put this value in the above formula. That means perimeter of a sphere is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Side here is 2 centimeter. That means the answer is 8 centimeter. The perimeter of a sphere is 8 centimeter. Next is third part. Again in decimal form is given and we have to find out the perimeter of a sphere. Third part is 4.7 centimeter. Perimeter of sphere is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Here side is 4.7 centimeter. Now how can we multiply 4.7 multiplied by 7? 7 for the 28, 4 for the 16 plus 2 18. Count the decimal, count the number of digits after the decimal. How many digits after the decimal? Only one. So put here decimal. That means the answer is 18.8 centimeter. Student, next, third sum. The perimeter of a triangle is 19 centimeter. Students, here perimeter is given. Perimeter of a triangle is given and two sides are given. A triangle having the three sides. Two sides are given and the perimeter is given. And we have to find out the third side. First of all, write down the formula of the triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Students, here perimeter is given. Perimeter of a triangle is equals to 19 centimeter. Side 1 is given. First side is 8 centimeter and the second side is 7 centimeter. Put the values in the above formula. Perimeter of a triangle is 19. Side S1 is 8, S2 is 7 and S3. Add these two terms. 15 plus S3. Students, there is a equal to sign. When 15 move from right hand side to the left hand side, then the sign changes. Here 15 is of positive sign. When it goes towards the left hand side, it becomes the negative. That means 4 is equals to S3. That implies S3 is equals to 4 centimeter. That is, the third one side of the triangle is 4 centimeter. Next, students, fifth sum. In the fifth sum, the length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 120 meter and 90 meter. Length and breadth of a rectangular garden is given. We have to find out that how much wire is required. Okay, first of all, find out the perimeter. Here in fifth sum, length is 120 meter, breadth is 90 meter. First of all, find out the perimeter of rectangular field. What is the formula? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Here, student, length is 120 and the breadth is 90. Now add these terms and you will get 210. Multiply 420. You have to find out the, if we wound the rectangular field with a wire 5 times, then how much length of the wire is required. So multiplied it by 5 and you will get 2100 meter. That means 2100 meter wire is required. Students, next is area. Next topic is area. Let's start exercise 12.3. Here you have to find out the area. Boxes are given and you have to find out the area. First of all, draw the figure. Students, here each square is 1 cubic meter. So count the number of square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10 square units. In this way you can find out the area. Thank you.